righty, right. Daddy Jack's Cold with the Blues here with Glenn Peltier, Paul Orsini Peltier over here. Orsini sausage family, the princess of the Orsini sausage empire. It's locally just the best sausage. Her folks, grandfather started.
My grandfather.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tremendous sausage company. So here we have I'm gonna make a chicken piccata. It's a little of my blackened seasoning. I'm kind of excited. I just ordered some new gumbo filet from it was Scandinavia Spice Company out of Florida, out of Fort Lauderdale, and I ordered some of that. They had some Emerald's filet gumbo powder, and she talked me into some of their Emerald's seasoning, fish seasoning. It's like a blackened seasoning with, I think he's got other ground herbs and stuff. She said she can't keep it in stock. So many people love it. So excited about that. But she was telling me her father, when I first started in the restaurant business, I was partners with a family down in Coral Springs, Florida. And her father was a chef in Coral Springs, Florida. And then, tired, burned out in the business a little bit and started a spice company, Scandinavian Spice Company. So pretty neat. Steve, you have that oil? I got it. Okay, we're gonna start out with light oil, olive oil, and light butter because we're gonna make the sauce right in the skillet. This is a quick dish right here. Quick dish. We don't want a whole lot of color on it. I put a little bit of the blackened seasoning already. So it's kind of a saute braise combination. Piccata. We don't have it on our menu, but a ton of people have asked for it. Chicken piccata, salmon piccata. So now I have a whole lot of oil and fat in the skillet. Again, everybody has got their own technique, own recipes. Everybody says, well, we don't do it that way, we don't do this. You know what? This is how I do it. And been doing it. Garlic doesn't meant to be in there. What's up, buddy? Okay. Lemon juice, fresh squeeze. Wow. White wine. I put a little bit of veal stock. Or a little chicken stock if you want. A little bit of butter to make the sauce up. Butter's a natural thickener.
So that's what thickens everything?
Yeah. And a little bit of flour that's on the chicken.
Oh, on the chicken.
But mainly the butter.
You're like the king of sauce.
See that? See how it thickens up?
That's fantastic.
Yep. Let's plate it up.
That was nice and quick.
Right?
Like 5 minutes.
Still rolling. All right, let's see. Maybe a little bit of greenery. I'll do like my friend Emerald does. Okay.
Nice.
Bam. All right, Daddy, you guys go with a blues here. What do you think, Paula?
Awesome.
You gonna dig in?
I am digging in.
Grab your weapons.
Oh, wow. I like that. You can taste the lemon. That's fantastic.
What's awesome about this dish, the flour is a nice little smooth.
It's a little bit of a coating, but it's not over the top.
Yeah.
Wow. Good job, sir.
We hit a winner there, right? Again?
Fantastic.
Easy cheesy.
Easy.
This is Daddy Jack's Cook with the Blues here at beautiful downtown New London, Connecticut. Deepwater Port, historical downtown. So much happening here. Arts, entertainment. Amtrak comes here. What else? Amtrak, the ferry boats.
The ferries.
Long Island, all the islands. It's a beautiful place to be. It's fall, end of October 2018. I can't believe we're just talking about Thanksgiving coming around the corner. Anyway, peace, good health, prosperity.